So finally 98%, 99, and it's now this 120 watt fast charging adapter. And how long do you think this charger would take to charge the Galaxy A55 from 0 to 100? Well, I'll be answering some important questions to help you in your next charging adapter purchase. Now, after 15 minutes of charge, the Galaxy A55 was charged to 21%. And so far, I think it's good. Or what do you think? Well, leave me your predictions in the comments. At the 30-minute mark, what percentage do you think the Galaxy A55 will be charged to using this 120 watt charging adapter? Also, here's what I noticed. So the device is warm and not really hot, making it uncomfortable for you to handle in the hand. I don't know if my room temperature is also the cause, but I'll keep you updated throughout. 29 minutes and 58 seconds and the Galaxy A55 has been charged to 36%. Yeah, 36%, and that's like 15% added. Actually, I have high hopes this is going to take the Galaxy A55 to 100% before 1 hour. So it's now 45% and the Galaxy A55 is charged to 52%. This is an additional 16% added to the 36%. Still, the device was feeling warm, so that's something you need to take note of even if you have the device turned off. Now, is this charging adapter charging the Galaxy A55, or if we have it connected to any random phone, is it going to charge at 120 watts? Well, the answer to this question is no. If your phone isn't designed to take up to 120 watt charging, then there's no way this charging adapter is actually going to deliver that power to your device to supply to the battery. The only way for this to work on your device is if only your device is designed to take in that much wattage. So let's say you have a device that supports 90 watts. Definitely this is actually going to supply the device with 90 watts. If it supports 120 watts, it's going to supply the device with 120 watts. So the Galaxy A55, for an example, has 25 watt fast charging support, and what the charger is actually doing is only supplying 25 watts to the device. So I actually thought in 1 hour time we should be getting 80% on the Galaxy A55, but well, 67% in 1 hour. And yeah, this is what you get using this 120 watt fast charging adapter. Before you get to know about the final charging speeds, here's another thing you need to know about smartphone chargers. So next time when you are getting yourself a charger, don't always think getting a higher wattage would mean your device is going to charge faster. Your device will only charge faster if it's designed to only take in that much power. Also, if this charger had a Type-C to Type-C, then it would have charged the device way faster with the support of PD power delivery. 1 hour and 52 minutes and the Galaxy A55 has now been charged to 100%. So this is what you need to expect if you use this kind of chargers to charge your Galaxy A series devices with 25 watts fast charging. Sometimes the results might be different, but you might get similar results like this, or it could be the device would charge way faster as compared to the result I got here. Anyways, I hope this helps and thanks for watching. Stay safe for more content like this.